Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone, okay? So first thing is we need to go ahead and put these in pairing mode. You'll know that it's in pairing mode when this light here is slowly blinking blue, okay? So down here you have the Bluetooth / power button. This is the only button we're going to use. So currently these are off, but it doesn't matter if it's on or off. What we wouldn't do is just put it in a pairing mode. All you got to do is just hold this power button / Bluetooth button. Just press and hold it and wait till it starts blinking blue slowly, okay? So mine are currently off, but again, doesn't matter if yours is on. So first, let's put it in a pairing mode. Here's the power button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. And I'm just going to keep on holding until the light turns blue here. Okay, now it's blinking blue very slowly. You can see it's going in and out. Okay, now that it's in pairing mode, now let's go to our iPhone. You want to go to settings, and then you want to go to Bluetooth, okay? Go to Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on. Now go all the way down under other devices, and it's still in pairing mode, so you should find your Bose Ultra. Mine's right here. Okay, let me tap on that and give it 1 second. And we'll see it connected. You can see that it's connected right there. Now here's the thing, if you have an issue where you can't put it in a pairing mode or it won't connect or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well. If you want to know how to factory reset these, look in the link below in the description. Okay, anyway, there you go.